Hi guys, good morning. It's me, Jean, and today,
in 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto East
ang
Street.
ingay talaga ng GPS. Today guys, tayo ay magta-travel na naman for 2 hours kasi ang destination natin is a trial court. So, parang nakabihis tayo ngayon. Nakabihis tayo ngayon guys kasi formal pala ang kapag papasok tayo sa korte, dapat pala formal tayo. Guys, bumaba kami sa Quick Trip. Para siyang 7-Eleven pa. Tapos, you know, nag-CR and then ito kumain. Cheese. Kasi nagutom. Malapit na kami. Ay, sorry. Masarap. Guys, andito na kami sa sa building. Tapos, hinihintay namin yung mga kasamahan ba. So, while waiting, ito, kakain muna ako. Maaga kami kasi maaga kami ng 30 minutes. Ba't ang kape na ang inom?
One eternity later.
Guys, we're done. Ang bilis lang. Parang pinakita lang sa akin yung mga gwapong mga attorney doon. So ngayon kami ay lalabas for lunch na. So, magla-lunch kami guys. Ano kaya ang masarap kainin for lunch? Sana naman meron silang soup. Yeah. Stop.
Guys like plates? You need plates?
Guys, we're back. And kami ay busog na. And it's about time na mag-retouch. Kasi kinain ko yung lipstick ko kanina. Oops! Oh! Gosh! Ang ating mata ay nahulog. Oops! Where are we going next? Okay guys, we're going home.
You sound so depressed. Why is that? You expecting to go to the Asian store?
Yeah. Yeah, because it's close from
Because
here.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
What's close from here?
The Asian store.
Where is it?
I think we're gonna turn right.
Okay.
I actually don't know.
You are correct.
Am I?
You are. That used to be a Fazoli's right there.
Mm-hmm. So guys, mag-Asian store! Alright guys! We're here sa Asian store. Tara na!
Where are we at?
Asian store.
Oh, okay.
Naka-sleep ako. Naka-sleep ako eh.
Hey.
Ay. Whew. Ang dami yung foods. But I know already what to get. Dun, 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 dun. Asian store, Asian store. I'm sorry. Yeah. This.
What? Yeah, what are those?
Durian.
Oh,
Can I,
for those.
oops.
They're frozen.
Yeah,
But they look vacuum packed and then frozen,
yeah.
which is good.
No fish.
Well, they like their tilapia, don't they?
No. I still have,
They like their tilapia.
there's tilapia, there's, I don't know, the red fish. And I don't know. Oh. Okay. So, darita. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. That is it ang home. Wala. Wow. I got you. This one. I think that's it. I don't want cheapy red. I want cheapy blue. But they don't have. So I will get this too. Okay, not yet because I'm looking for a what, like a Nestle cream ba? Bakit di ako makahanap? Last time wala. Yeah, very good. Oh, There's tinapa, ligoya.
Said those are pretty popular. He said they go pretty quick. There's 4 flavors and there's only this one left.
Yeah.
I don't know what the 4 flavors would be about. But... Alright.
Alright guys, nabili ko ng gusto ko. And yeah, kami ay uuwi na.